Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject EVS. Chapter number 9. Chapter name, the food we eat. Topic, food for plants. Now today we will talk about the food for plants. How the plants are taking their food. How we are cooking, but how the plants are taking the food. We will talk about it. The primary source of food for most living creatures on earth is plants. Plants are giving the food not only to themselves, even for the other living creatures also. The whole living things are depend on the plants for their food. Photosynthesis actually comes from Greek word photo mean light and synthesis mean putting together. Photosynthesis. I hope all of you are familiar with this word. Photosynthesis is a process by which the plants can make their food. In this process, the plants take the air from this. They get the carbon dioxide, sunlight and the water. By the using of these three things, they complete the process of photosynthesis and make the food for them. So, making food by the plants, the process is the photosynthesis. And this photosynthesis word comes from the Greek word. That photosynthesis word comes from the Greek word. Photo means light and synthesis meaning putting together. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So photosynthesis means taking the things from the light, air, water, taking these three things and making the food. That is the photosynthesis. Plants breathe in the air through tiny holes in their leaves. On the leaves, when you will find and you will notice the small holes you can see in the leaves. These leaves take breath, help to the plants. Plants taking breath from these tiny holes. They get the air from the environment and they breathe. The food is prepared in the leaves of a plant. The food that plants make, actually it is making in their leaves. At the leaves, they complete the process of the photosynthesis and make the food for them. Leaves have TD structures in their cells called chloroplasts that use water, carbon dioxide. TD leaves that are the structure. Leaves, they are the TD structure that are chloroplast, and that chloroplast use the water, carbon dioxide, sunlight to make food. Means I told you that the plant's leaves where the food is making. At the leaves the chloroplast is present and the working of the chloroplast is to take the sunlight, air, water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Carbon dioxide which is mixed in the air. It filters the carbon dioxide from the air and makes the helping of leaves to make the food. Manure gives the soil essential nutrients and keeps it moist. Manure. All of you know, sometimes we use the manure or fertilizers in the soil to make the improvement and proper nutrients for the plants. Actually, this manure provides the nutrients to the plants and make it moist. In the moist condition, easily the worms can be born in the soil and help the plants to make it get with nutrients. Some plants are carnivorous plants or insectivorous plants. Pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap are the insectivorous plants. All plants cannot make their own food. Few of them are depend on the other small insects like animals. The examples, pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap. These are two plants which are the insectivorous plants. Pitcher plants. You can easily find its name like a pot. That is the shape, that is the pitcher. So its shape is same like the pitcher. That's why its name is pitcher plants. With the shape, when the small insect sits on the top of its plant, it slips under and then get it down and digested by the plant. And Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap. Its front size is like the mouth and it covered its mouth when the any insect goes inside of it. So the both plants are the insectivorous plant. they don't make their own food. They take the insects and use it as a food. So in today's class, we know how the plants are getting their food, and few of them are insectivorous plants. Normally the food for plants is that they totally depend on the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process by which the plants can make their food. This photosynthesis process completed in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Through the air, it gets the carbon dioxide, sunlight that's come from the sun, and water that's come from the soil, which the plant's root takes it. The plant's root sucks the water from the soil, take it and give it to the plants to complete the process. And during this process, after the completing the process of the photosynthesis, the plants release the oxygen that is the necessary for the breathing of living things like the animals and human beings. So plants are useful for us many ways, and during this process they are giving the most important oxygen for all of us. So these were the topics related to the food for plants. I hope all of you understand. Even if you have any problem, you can ask to me. So it's enough for today. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you.